Getting started with Word 2007. Hi, I welcome you to this CBT of Microsoft Word 2007. This CBT is designed to lead you step by step through all the tasks you are most likely to perform in MS Word 2007. If you kickstart from the beginning and work your way through all the exercises, you will gain enough proficiency to be able to create and work with all the common types of Word documents. We have been working with Word since its debut, and each version of it offered us some new features to make our daily documentation easier and more effective. But this new version of Word 2007, formerly known as Office 12, in the initial stage, is easier than ever to efficiently create a wide range of business and personal documents. When you use your computer to create, edit and produce text documents, it means you are word processing. Microsoft Word 2007 is one of the most advanced word processing programs available today. What is Microsoft Word? It's a word processing application created by Microsoft. Word helps you to create and format elegant written documents that can be printed, faxed, delivered online as web pages or through email. Why we need Word? You can use Word to create a huge variety of documents. For example, widely used to perform our day-to-day applications, you can perform common tasks such as writing letters and memos, etc. Now you can use Blogger right within Microsoft Word 2007. Opening Word for the first time. Now let us see how to open Microsoft Office Word. Here's the steps to do so. Go to the Start button in that Select All Programs, which displays a list of programs in your system. In the program list, select Microsoft Office, which shows you the Office applications. In that list, click on Microsoft Office Word 2007. Doing that, the program gives you an empty one to work in. If you're eager to put words to page, then type away. Benefits of Word. Microsoft Office Word 2007 helps you to create and share professional-looking content by combining a comprehensive set of writing tools with the easy-to-use Microsoft Office Fluent user interface. Here in this chapter, I'm going to talk about the benefits that you'll gain by using Word 2007. You can spend more time in writing and less time in formatting. The Office user interface makes it easy to format your documents quickly. You can quickly change the appearance of text, tables and graphics throughout the entire document to match your preferred style or color scheme. Communicate more effectively with smart art diagrams and new charting tools. This option helps you to create great-looking content with 3D shapes, transparency, drop shadows and other effects. Quickly assemble documents using building blocks. Save as PDF or XPS directly from Office Word 2007. Word 2007 offers you a choice for sharing documents with other people. You can convert your Word documents to portable document format, PDF. Publish and maintain blogs directly from Office Word 2007. You can now publish blogs directly from Word 2007. You can configure 2007 to link directly to your blog site and use the rich Word experience. Master your document review processes using Office Word 2007 and Microsoft Office SharePoint Server 2007. Connect your documents to business information. Remove tracked changes, comments and hidden text from your documents. Use the Tri-Pane Review panel to compare and combine documents. Office Word 2007 makes it easy to find out what changes were made to a document. A new Tri-Pane Review panel helps you see both versions of a document with deleted, inserted and moved text clearly marked. Reduce your file sizes and improve corrupt file recovery.
What's new?
The first conspicuous new feature you'll encounter when you start Word will undoubtedly be the ribbon, which is part of the new interface called Microsoft Office Fluent User Interface. The ribbon is a blue banner that stretches across the top of the screens. It shows the most commonly used commands and displays numerous word options in a visual format. When looking for options, you no longer need to open and close as many as 30 or more toolbars or open countless menus and dialog boxes. The options are now organized within the ribbon and are very visible and convenient to access. Galleries. Another part of the new Microsoft Office 2007 is the galleries. There are many different galleries for styles, for themes, for page numbers, and so on. The galleries provide you with the ability to look before you leap with live preview. File type. Some of the biggest changes you'll encounter are the new file types. Word uses a whole new file structure that unfortunately isn't directly compatible with earlier versions of Word. However, the good news is that the new file format is what enables many of the improvements in Word 2007. Smart Art. Word 2007 also includes an entirely new graphics tool, Smart Art, which is designed to help you create diagrams and lists that graphically present your information. Quick Styles. Choose a ready-made quick style or apply the styles you've made before to stylize elements of your document. Document themes. Change the whole theme of your document quickly and easily. Safety and security. Word 2007 has also greatly improved document safety and security. You'll be better able to control access to your documents. Keep a keen eye on all the upcoming sessions to explore all of these and other new features in greater depth.